So I'm going to show you the cleaning kit and the mat and everything that comes along with it. Not sure why it's skipping, but so here you have the mat. It's absolutely phenomenal. It comes with the key and all of the diagrams. So even if you've never cleaned an AR before, never taken one apart, or if you're building your own, this thing is amazing, and it's an amazing tool to have. The material is phenomenal, really high quality, and then it comes with the entire cleaning kit that you're going to need to clean your AR. So it comes with 4 segments. You've got your T bar right here, and then you're gonna unscrew these and put them together. You put it all the way like this whenever you're going to clean the entire barrel. It also comes with a bore chamber wire brush. You never want to put this down the barrel. You just want to use this for your chamber because that would be bad. This is the one you would use on the end of this. Like if you would take this part off and you'd put this part right here and you would clean your barrel. If you don't know how to clean your barrel, let me just really quick. When you stick this through, you stick it through, take this piece off before you pull back on with your T-bar, because otherwise you're going to really screw up the inside of your barrel. All right, so this is the bag that it comes in. And it comes with an empty bottle that you can put your gun cleaning oil. You've got your cloths, the brush to clean all of your pieces. It really comes with everything you need. The bag is really great quality. It comes with a little belt hook right there. And it comes with this bore cleaner. But here's the thing. This is the only, I would say, I guess, complaint. This is not for a 223. This is for a 9mm. So do not stick this in your 223 AR. It is too big. Don't try to shove it. Whenever you stick something in your gun to clean it, if it is too big, if it's not going, don't force it, because that means, hey, pull back, let's reevaluate the situation. Okay, but you can definitely use it for a 9mm or something that has a larger barrel. And you would just break it down. I'll show you in a different video. I'll break the entire thing down and clean it, but I just wanted to show you all the amazing stuff it comes with. And then you just break it all down and roll it back up, and there you go. It's really, it's an amazing deal for 19 bucks. I think it's 19 or 20. I mean, Alright guys, it got way too hot out there. So I'm going to take it apart in here, the cleaning part, to show you all the pieces. So this is the one that holds the cotton. You have that, you thread it kind of like a needle. And these are all the little segments to make it longer. And of course, if you are cleaning, just the chamber, you just need a short one, so you can put it together like this. Have a short one, and this one, like I said, is for your barrel. Don't get them confused. If you don't know how to clean your gun, watch some videos before you do anything crazy, because you're gonna screw it up. You don't want to screw that up. Okay, and so this is your T-bar, and you put it back together. It comes like this. So it's going to be like that, and you're like, what is this for? Like that. That way, you have it like a wrench to where you can turn it whenever you're going down the barrel. Always turn it in the direction that the bullet is coming out, okay? So you just put it back together. Easy peasy. Make sure the square, it just goes back together. And put it back in your kit. This is the kit right here. Got 2 sections, okay, so that's really convenient. If you want to put like the metal pieces on one side, the cloth. You don't want to put the cloth on the dirty metal, you know, whatever, or keep it in a bag. And then your wire brushes and your bore cord. Remember, the bore cord that comes with this is 9mm. I'm going to see if maybe that was an accident. I'll check with them, but this is not for 223, okay? So don't try to shove that in there. But altogether, this is a phenomenal cleaning kit and mat. I mean, seriously, you could not ask for more for 20 bucks. Really, I mean, this is an amazing deal, especially how detailed this mat is. That you're just gonna, and then you put this right inside there, roll it right up, and there you go. It's all rolled up. You can keep it back in the, there you go. Sorry. Bam. Done. Awesome. Awesome.